Welcome to Mushroom English Podcast. Today, we'll learn one of the most important skills in English, how to greet people and introduce yourself naturally. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or seeing a friend again, these expressions will help you sound friendly and confident. Let's get started.
Hi there. Is anyone sitting here?
Oh, no, please have a seat.
Thanks. I'm Sarah, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Paul.
Nice to meet you too, Paul. So, are you enjoying the event so far?
Yeah, it's great. I've met a lot of interesting people today.
Same here. It's my first time attending this workshop.
Oh, really? Me too. What do you do, Sarah?
I'm a graphic designer. I create visuals and layouts for websites and social media. How about you?
That's cool. I work in marketing. I guess we're in similar fields.
That's true. It's nice to meet people who understand your work.
Absolutely. By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Melbourne, Australia. And you?
I'm from London, but I've been living here in Singapore for about 2 years now.
Wow, that's interesting. How do you like it here?
I love it. The food is amazing, and people are very friendly.
Totally agree. Anyway, it's been great chatting with you, Paul.
Same here, Sarah. Hope to see you again during the next session.
Definitely. See you around.
Let's go over some useful phrases from this conversation. Hi there. Is anyone sitting here? A polite way to ask before you take a seat. Nice to meet you. Or nice to meet you too. Use when you meet someone for the first time. What do you do? Means, what's your job? That's cool. A casual way to say, that's great. Where are you from? Used to ask about someone's hometown or country. It's been great chatting with you. Polite way to end conversation.
You can practice these sentences every day when meeting classmates, coworkers, or new friends. Repetition makes your speech natural and confident.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. 1. Hi there. 2. Nice to meet you. 3. What do you do? 4. Where are you from? 5. It's been great chatting with you.
Now, imagine you're meeting someone new. How would you introduce yourself? Say it out loud. Hi, I'm from. I'm a.
Great job, everyone! Today, you learned how to greet people and introduce yourself naturally. Keep practicing. It's the first step to real conversations in English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And tell us in the comments, how do you usually introduce yourself?
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye!